How can I make sense of the times that I'm living in?
If you think of it in terms of humanity, then humanity is living in the age of greed, and they are about to enter in the age of need. Imagine if the age of greed is the day and the age of need is night. Then you have crossed the dusk, and the first star is about to appear on the horizon. So, humanity is going to go through a difficult time, and it has already begun. Every year, may God protect you from it, but every year will become more difficult than the previous one. But there is some good in it. It will make humanity humble. Individually, for you, may you have a good life. May your needs be met. May you always find God kind to you. May He give you resilience in difficulties. Individually, it is just life. Make sure that all the time which you have on this planet, you live well, honestly, truthfully. Because life is made up of seasons anyway. You're just here to know yourself. You're just here to find your truth. So keep finding it and keep trusting God.